Hey, good morning. I'm in Wrightwood for the Wrightwood Car Show today. I like your chair.
Yeah, this is a lifesaver, I'll tell you that.
It's wild. I'm assuming it's yours with your top. Just great car show, great vibes. Bring the wives, bring the grandkids.
Through the radio, we're gonna make it someday. Nothing's gonna get in our way. We will be the biggest band in town. Round around the world we'll go, putting on the greatest show.